you very much, thank you. This song, first song, is a story about a girl. Wasn't quite 17 when she walked out the door. Her dad was a drinker, her mum was a queen, and she couldn't take anymore. With cold eyes closed, she went for the city, face made up, her hair looking pretty. Met a gaggle of girls that were working the road. They had a background akin to hers. 10 years passed, her life wasn't pretty. She breathed in the smoke, spat out by the city. Met a fella and worked for a small cash advance. He stuck around for some anti-romance. He shacked her fast, his money was flowing. The kids stayed in bed while their money was blowing. The life that she never really wanted to lead. The lover boy decided to leave. She said, little performer, my lips ain't a warmer ride. I beg you don't leave. She said, stay with me. I got the kids in the corner, I'm a fish out of water ride. I beg you don't leave. He opened the bourbon bottle there, snapped on the floor. She said, we're breathing and smoking, we're living on coke, and I can't take anymore. And so he told her, then began to scold her. Hips began to roll into the extreme. She said, stay with me, I'll be a little performer. My lips ain't a warmer ride. I beg you don't leave. She said, kids in the corner, I'm a fish out of water ride. I beg you don't leave. He opened the envelope and then slumped to the floor. He read, I'm living in pain and I'm living in shame, and I can't take anymore. With cold eyes closed, he wept for his lover. He wept for his kids that had just lost their mother. He wept for the girl he never wanted to leave. Then lover boy decided to plead. He said, stay with me, I don't need a performer, I just need you one for now. I beg you don't leave. He said, stay with me, I got the kids in the corner, I'm a fish out of water ride. I beg you don't leave. I beg you don't leave. Thank you very much. Next song's called LOVE off our new EP on Spotify and all that stuff. That's perfect.